In just a few years, the number of artworks created by self-described AI artists has skyrocketed. Some of these artworks have been acquired by prestigious curated collections after being sold by major auction houses for exorbitant sums of money. But can we call it art? A picture is worth 1,000 words, but according to DALL-E 2, an artificial intelligence application, you can get a professional-looking image with many less. Millions of bears roam the streets of Hong Kong, a strawberry frog, a spaghetti and meatballs-based cat. These are just a couple of the written descriptions that users have recently supplied to cutting-edge artificial intelligence systems to generate extraordinarily detailed, realistic-looking photos. The resultant images may be amusing, bizarre, or even evocative of great art, and they're being widely shared on social media, even by key players in the tech industry. DALL-E 2, a newer version of a comparable, less powerful AI system released by OpenAI last year, can also alter existing photos by adding or removing things. AI has become more pervasive in everyday life in recent years, but the public has only lately been aware of how prevalent it is, as well as how gender, racial, and other forms of prejudices may enter into the technology. Concerns regarding the accuracy and racial bias of facial recognition algorithms have grown in recent years. According to Lama Ahmed, Policy Research Program Manager at OpenAI, academics are still discovering how to evaluate bias in AI, and OpenAI will utilize what it learns to improve its AI over time. Earlier this year, Lama spearheaded OpenAI's attempts to collaborate with a group of outside experts to better understand DALL-E 2 difficulties and provide input so that it may be improved. On the other hand, Holland Michel, a senior fellow at the Carnegie Council for Ethics and International Affairs, who studies AI and surveillance technologies, is also concerned that no safeguards can prevent such systems from being used maliciously, noting that deepfakes, a cutting-edge application of AI to create videos that purport to show someone doing or saying something they didn't actually do or say, were initially used to create faux pornography. It kind of follows that a system that is orders of magnitude more powerful than those early systems could be orders of magnitude more dangerous, he said. What do you think? Can AI one day take over artists? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.